In this lesson, I will cover a very important accounting topic known as suspense account. Let's start by defining what is a suspense account. A suspense account is an account used to temporarily store transactions for which there is an uncertainty about where they should be recorded. It can also be defined as an account used when transactions are recorded in the books before any decision has been made about their proper accounting treatment. Another definition says a suspense account is a section of the general ledger where an organization records ambiguous entries that still need further analysis to determine their proper classification or correct destination. All these definitions refer to the same thing. A suspense account is a temporary account. The account never makes it into the final account. So, it's rather a placeholder. It allows you as an accountant to proceed in preparing draft accounting statements and then come back later to do a thorough investigation as to how to properly record those transactions. This account is so helpful, but its use must be always monitored. If too many transactions are posted in the suspense account and the account just keeps growing, the tracking of the transactions could become difficult. Hence, it's wise to carry out regular tracking that uncover the proper way to deal with the transaction. There are two types of suspense accounts. There is the asset suspense account. This one is used to store payments related to accounts receivables. There is the liability suspense account. This one contains accounts payables whose disposition is still being decided. If this account is temporary, why do we even prepare it? The account even sounds like an account prepared by accountants who do not know what they are doing. But the truth is, the account is prepared when an accountant is not sure how to treat the transaction. This may be due to the fact that there isn't enough information. So you will see even the best of the best accountants preparing this suspense account because they do not have enough information about what happened during the transaction. So it doesn't mean the accountant doesn't know what they are doing. It is actually better to have a suspense account than to neglect recording transactions at all. The suspense account will indicate the areas needing correction. This is better than omitting a transaction which does not reflect in the trial balance but still producing inaccurate results.